Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can create and add a work item to your projects and workspaces on the Plain project management application. So let us dive into this. All right, guys, so here in the Plain project management application, you will need to access your workspace first in the top left corner. So let me do that really quickly and go with that workspace here. And after that, navigate also to your projects from that list here to the left. So I will go with this project here for the sake of this tutorial, navigate to work items next. So here you will see all work items within the given project. And what you want to do, guys, is, for example, choose your preferred layout here at the top. I will go with a list layout, or you can go also with a board. So like, for instance, on Trello or in Jira and all of these project management tools where you see these lists with these cards below. So which layout will you go with is totally up to you. I will go with the list view, and after that click into add work item here, or you may simply go through your lists, like for example in progress, status, or done or cancelled, depending on your to-do list, and click into new work item here. Now I will go with add a work item in the top right. You can assign the work item to any of the statuses of your to-do list later as well. So give it a title, like for example, I don't know, go to gym or something like this. You may describe it below. You may use also a template, for instance. Later, for instance, you will be given the opportunity to convert your work items into templates, customizable templates, so that you don't need to create these work items from zero, but can simply use your created templates, but it's something for a different tutorial. So you may describe your work item or task below, and after that go through these cards and fields here below. Like for example, you may assign your work item to a specific status, like backlog, to do in progress of your list. So I will go with to do because we're working on a to-do list. Then you may select priority, like urgent, high, and so on and so forth. You may invite someone, a friend or contact of yours from your workspace, to work on the given work item, to assign them. You may create labels. For instance, let me create a new label, like relevant or something like that. Press enter and create a new label. Select the start date. Let me go with tomorrow, and due date, one day later or afterwards, and also a parent task if you have any. So once it's done, click into save in the bottom right corner, and after that your task or work item will be created with these metrics or statuses here to the right. So you can always change these. If you'd like to change the status, simply click into it, and that way move it from to do to in progress, for instance, and that is going to move the given task to the given part of your to-do list. And that's it, guys. That's how we do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.